Have you ever heard of a headband wig? Because I had not until I was surfing Amazon and I found some headband wigs. I bought 2 of them so you didn't have to. Each of these wigs were $20. I didn't want to get anything too expensive because I had no idea what this headband wig was. So we're going to go ahead and check them out together and see what's up with the headband wig. Maybe you've already seen headband wigs, but this is all new to me. So just go with it, okay? Go with my excitement. I'll be right back after I put the first one on, which is going to be a shorter headband wig. After this video, check out this wig review because this is one of my favorite wigs. I know I say that on every video, but literally, this is one of my favorite wigs, so you have to check it out when you're done with this one. Alright, promise me that you will. Now let's check out these headband wigs. They came in really cool bags. They did have the stuff all around them, but I took it off because I wanted to see what the heck was going on with it. Hang on, I dropped something. Liddell is the brand for this wig. I'll just kind of take it aside. This is what it looks like. So it has a headband all around it. Obviously there's no like lace front or anything. Let's check out the inside. So we have these combs. And then we have another comb. Okay, we're good. So, we got 2 combs. That's cool. Now, one thing I'm thinking is this is like a full headband. So, like, do I really need a wig cap? I don't know. Let's see. So, I don't have a wig cap on underneath this wig right now because my hair is pretty short, so I just tucked it in. Let's see if we can put this wig on without a wig cap. So, take my hair off. I found the front. Honestly, it is kind of difficult to find the front. So here we go. Let's just put this baby on, and I'll tuck my hair into it. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but anyway, I'm just gonna tuck my hair up in there and whoa, okay. Hang on one second. I need to fix this. All right, here it is. I had to get it like straightened up and everything, and the hair just right, but what I did is I put it over my ears because I mean I get cold and I'm gonna use this like a hat for winter. I like this, you know. I mean, it was $20, so the hair is a bit shiny, but that's nothing that we can't fix with a little bit of baby powder just rubbed in there or some dry shampoo. I'll show you the back. I do have my hair tucked in, and maybe I should have put a wig cap on, so you will see the back before I here's the back part. There's the front again. I like it though. It's super comfy. I think I could probably wear this out for like a couple hours and be fine. It literally just feels like I'm wearing a stocking cap or a beanie or whatever. So I give this wig an A+, especially for the price. I like it. The hair does tangle quite easily. That's why I'm continually doing this. But one thing that you can do when your wig hair tangles is get some of that serum that is for human hair that helps detangle it. That works great on wigs to keep them detangled. So that's my tip of the day, and I'll even put some in the description below for you. In addition to this wig, it's in the description below as well for your convenience. Are you ready for the second wig that is a headband wig? It's long-haired. Let's check it out. Jeez. Okay. Whoa. Here we have it. It's very long. The curls are very separated, if you can kind of tell, and I kind of like that. I won't be like combing it really or anything, I don't think. The brand on this is Wig Way. There you go. Let me just take this off and we will try the wig on. Okay. Ah! I'll get it. Don't worry, I'll get it. Excuse me. If you want to wear a wig cap with these, like, please by all means wear a wig cap. I think this will actually be fine with the back just being kind of tucked in. And wig caps are like the most uncomfortable thing that I've found since I started wearing wigs, besides the mesh on the wig itself. I don't know, do you guys like it when I put the wig on like in the video, or would you rather me just skip it and get the darn thing on and then, you know, show you, like when I jump into them? Okay, whew, I like this. 1 second, let me go check it out in the mirror and get it fixed for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. What is going on here? Okay, sorry. What is going on? I have to look in the, oh, this hair right here. It wasn't there when I styled it. Okay, there. Look at it! It is awesome! I love it! Ah! I'm gonna wear it today. This is exciting. This was only $20. Look at these beautiful curls. And honestly, it doesn't really look like super too shiny because it's like all curly and everything, and so it's beautiful. Look at the back. Check that out. Yes, okay, so I know I said the blonde Shakira wig was my favorite, but that's my favorite for not being a headband wig, and this is my favorite for being a headband wig. Oh my gosh, if you like this color, or I think they have this in different colors too, so I will put a link, but if you like this wig, like, it's worth it. It's so comfy. You don't have to worry about, you definitely don't have to worry about wearing a wig cap. It all tucks in. The hair's long in the back and poofy anyway, so you can't see your hair. Oh gosh, I love this wig. So I can't say any more about it except for the fact that I freaking love it. And for $20, oh my gosh, what a great deal. So I did want to remind you something. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you really should. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the thumbs up. That way you will not miss any more of these videos, and I do all kinds of creative things. So you might see me trying on wigs, you might see me doing some makeup, you might see me doing crafts and arts, you might see me refurbishing some furniture. So there is a lot on this channel to check out, whether you're male, female, you know, whatever. So I encourage you, subscribe to the channel so you can get more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out. This is Angie from the future. I have actually worn this wig out now several times, and I do like it. It is very comfortable. Once you get just your parts right here in front, and then you have your pair in back, it stays fairly detangled, and it really, when you wear like this same color of like eyeshadow or something close, it really can bring out the eyes. So I went ahead and I put it to the side to wear, and that makes it much, I don't know, I like a side part better than a middle part, and since this is so long, you really can't notice. So I wanted to pop in and let you know that this wig is fantastic. I've worn it out and it's great.